my name is Tamae and I'm really excited to share with you the May Solid Essentials subscription box from the FabClick Fabric Shop. Before I actually cut into this package and show you what's in here, I want to take a minute for those of you who might be new or unfamiliar with the idea of a subscription package to just explain what this entails. When you sign up for the Solid Essentials subscription box, you are going to receive 3 yards of fabric each month. So you'll pay $25, which includes the shipping, and the first week of every month, the FabClick Fabric Shop will mail out 3 yards of fabric. Now, the fun part of this subscription package is that you don't really know in advance. You have no way of knowing what colors you're gonna get or what fabric bases you're gonna have. It could be that you get a solid 3-yard cut of one fabric, or you could get 2 1.5 yard cuts, or you could get 3 1-yard cuts. However it comes, it's gonna be a full 3 yards of fabric. They're all gonna be solid colors. You won't have any wild and crazy prints. And the fabric basis could be different every month, or they could be the same. You never really know. So one month you could end up with a double brushed polyester, and the next month you could have a nice rib knit, and the next month you could have a rayon spandex or a cotton spandex. There's no way of knowing, but that's the fun of the subscription box. So I am going to be completely honest and let you know that I did read the email that came with this. So I do kind of have an idea already of what's inside the package, but I haven't actually taken it out and played with it and touched it and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open the package. And I did part of this before now also because I didn't want to cut my fabric when I opened it. Check this out. You're gonna love it. It's beautiful. You can see already. We've got 2 colors. Gorgeous rayon spandex. We have a solid black rayon spandex because who doesn't need some solid black in their wardrobe? I'm really excited about the fact that this is rayon spandex because it's such a perfect fabric for spring and summer. Excellent drape, really breathable, some great stretch. This color right here is, wow, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's, I'm not sure that I'm really capturing it very well, but it's a gray. It's a gray color that almost has like a lavender undertone. I don't know, it's got like some purple undertones to it. These are beautiful together. I already have some really great ideas of some things that I'd like to make that I think are going to be really fun spring and summer wardrobe ideas. So let me show you just to give you an idea. This has like amazing stretch. Looks to be like maybe 50% or so. Really good stretch. And again, I wish you could feel it. It's so soft. But you know, you can feel it if you sign up for the subscription box at thefabclick.com, and make sure when you receive your package that you share all of your creations on the FabClick Fabric Shop's Facebook page. I hope you're all doing well, and thank you for sharing in this excitement with me. Have a good night.